Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a 2x4 snowman. Kind of like the scarecrow I made, but this one's going to be a snowman. So I have this 2x4, it's about 8 inches long. It was just a piece of scrap 2x4 that I had. Some acrylic paints in white, black, orange, and red. Some fabric of your choice, some greenery of your choice, and I ended up using a rusty bell that I don't show here. So you're going to give your 2x4 a nice couple of coats of the white acrylic paint, and mine took 2. Next, you're going to cut a square or a rectangle in your fabric, I should say. That is the length that will wrap around your 2x4, and then have some excess at the top. Now, I also folded up the bottom edge of my fabric so that it would look like a brim to his hat. So I'm just going to start hot gluing that in place just by wrapping it around and hot gluing it into place. And then I also hot glued the little brim so that it wouldn't fold over. Once it was all glued, I took the top half of my fabric, all the excess, and I gathered it all and then just tied it with a piece of black ribbon. Now I'm going to take a pencil and start drawing out his face. So I did 2 teardrops for his eyes. And then another larger teardrop for his nose. And then I just did a regular smiley face with 2 little circles on either side. And I wish that I had not gone down as far with my mouth, so when you do it, just make sure that you leave room at the bottom for the scarf because my mouth gets a little covered by its scarf. So next I'm going to just start painting my face. So I did the black for the eyes, orange for the nose. I outlined his mouth with the black also, and I just used a liner brush for all of these. And look how cute he is already. Next, I'm just going to take a pencil and use the tip of it and dip it in some white paint and put a dot on either one of his eyes. Then I'm going to take my liner brush and do a line on each one of his eyes also. So just on either side, just a nice white line. Gives his eyes a little bit more character. I got a little black paint over there smudged, so I'm just going to fix that with a little bit of white. And look how adorable he is. Next, I'm going to take some of that red paint and I'm going to mix it with the white paint to make some pink for some rosy cheeks. You can just use pink from the get-go if you have one, but all I had on hand at the moment was some red paint. So you can mix red and white and make pink. And once I had his cheeks all rosy, I'm just going to take a piece of that same fabric and cut a strip, and I'm going to tie that around the bottom, and this is going to be his little scarf. I'm just going to tie it right in a knot, and I'm going to leave the knot on the side of the 2x4. And as you can see, like I said, my mouth is a little covered by the scarf, but that's okay. He still looks super cute. And then I put a little bit of glue just to hold this scarf into place. And I think he is looking very, very cute. Next, I'm going to take some of my greenery, and I'm just going to cut off 2 small sprigs, and I'm going to hot glue them to his hat. And this greenery came from Dollar Tree and it has little berries in it, and it's kind of got sparkles on it, and it's really cute. So I'm just going to add 2 sprigs of that to the top of his hat. And how cute. And then I'm going to take my rusty bell and just hot glue that to the center. And this little guy is all finished. How adorable is he? And how easy. You could make a whole family of these, and these make super cute little gifts. And this is also a great craft for kids if you wanted to have your kids make something. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.